So Beck Tech from the beginning has been a collaborative partner with us. We started the integration and from the beginning really helped see what our goals were with switching our estimating platform and then leading us through the steps, keeping us on target to make sure we achieve those. And then, once we've been implemented, and we've been implemented for about 16 months, following up with us. John Reich specifically, meets with us every 2 weeks, look at what are the next challenges, how do we integrate the technology that DESTINI provides us, and, continually keeping us moving forward. DESTINI has really helped us succeed a couple different ways. First, we are much more organized with the way that the data that we brought into DESTINI is able to collaborate. So, you can filter. My favorite feature, looking at all sorts of different elements within the estimate. We can sort it by, bid package. You could sort it by different. We use a systems format, which is really group phase, but you can look at uniformat or master format really easily. I think one of the other big things is the ability to allow us all to work in one estimate pretty flawlessly. It's nice being able to review estimates. I can see what other team members have done. You could filter by an estimator and see the work that they've done. And people are able to work in the estimate at the same time without, having issues with, one person's working on something and changing. And it collaboratively works together. And that's helped our workflow be much more efficient. One of the things that I'm a big steward on in the company is format. And so DESTINI has really allowed us to have a consistent format across our 4 offices. The ability to be able to leverage the data within DESTINI, we've really employed that as a tool to allow us to both communicate internally within our department, within the company, being able to show how the project's doing, and ultimately on how we communicate out to our clients. So with that DESTINI data, we're not having to go use an Excel spreadsheet. Like, everything's built in with the Excel dashboards that are built in with our Power BI dashboards, and how we use that to communicate out to our clients I think is much more effective. One of the biggest things in this last year that we've been able to do is pull in the alternates feature, which I know is going to be a huge future release. We often tracked on a given project, most of our work is negotiated. We have quite a few different alternates that we track on a project. That's pretty typical. And forever it was taking the data from the estimating software, putting it into an Excel spreadsheet, being able to showcase that in a log, being able to do it real time and having it within the estimate, being able to filter with the alternates and show different ways of that information. That's been probably the biggest telltale sign. Again, our clients may not know the software, but they realize that we're doing something much more collaborative with them. I think the most satisfying aspect is just how much in my 28 years of being in construction, how much it's changed. I started in the industry as an estimator, and we used to use digitizer boards and hand takeoffs, and now with the ability to have AI introduced, and how we do takeoff is different. So instead of producing the data and the color, we're managing the data and understanding how to condition it to better influence our estimates. And then, really with the whole ability being able to work more collaboratively with the data.